Hi, it is Michelle. We are here talking meat. I have a meat scientist with us, Jennie Hodgen. And Jennie, is it safe to buy meat in the store these days?
I hope you're buying meat in the store because that means it has a chance of coming from my family's cows.
Well, you're kind of selfish.
I am, but myself and hundreds of thousands of other beef producers are producing meat that we're eating that we're also hoping you're enjoying from the grocery store.
Okay, so is it safe to buy meat?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Why?
Because we all care about our animals and want to make sure that the meat that you're getting is as safe as it can be. So there are multiple steps along the process to ensure safety of the product. So inspection at the plant, inspection of the animals, inspection of the meat.
Okay, so what about antibiotics? Because I know that's a huge concern for lots of folks. Are there antibiotics? If I don't buy organic, is it okay? Are there antibiotics in my meat if it's not?
Any meat that you are buying in the U.S. is essentially antibiotic free because we have something called the withdrawal time. So once an animal has been given an antibiotic, it cannot go to slaughter until a research time to make sure that that antibiotic is out of that animal's system.
So regardless of whether there's organic on the label or not, there is not antibiotics in my meat. Is that what you're saying?
There's not going to be antibiotics in your meat.
What about chicken?
Chicken, beef, pork, it doesn't matter what type of animal the meat came from. If you're buying it in the grocery store, it would have had to go through rigors of this, and we also test the meat to ensure that people are following the rules.
So where can I go to find more information? If I want to know where my meat came from, what's the best way to do that?
There's lots of options. You can actually talk to the meat case guy and ask where the meat came from. Or if you're a little shy and don't want to do that, can I get close enough? There's little circles on the meat that say USDA inspected, and at the very bottom of it, it has an establishment number. So this is establishment at 4215. You can look up establishment numbers online, so you can Google establishment 4215 and it will tell you. Or USDA has made it very easy for us. You can find they have an app. So look up USDA mobile MPI, the initials MPI, and you can search by establishment number and find out where it came from.
Okay, well, great information. I appreciate you being with me today. If people want to connect with you online, where can they find you?
So you can find me on Twitter, Hodgenstein, so HODGENSTEIN, or you can find me on Instagram, which is my favorite social media place. So unfortunately, you'll see a lot of pictures of my kids too. At J Hodgen, so JHODGEN.
Very good. Well, there you have it from a mom, a meat scientist, and a woman who knows meat. You can connect with her online. I hope you'll do so. And thanks for joining.